Are you considering buying a house in Florida in 2024? Here are the steps you need to follow to make your dream a reality. Step 1. Determine your budget. Know how much you can afford to spend on a house, taking into account factors like down payment, closing costs, and monthly mortgage payments. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you a clearer understanding of how much money you can borrow from a lender to buy a house. Step 3. Find a real estate agent. A professional agent can help you navigate the complex process of buying a house in Florida and find the perfect property for you. Step 4. Start house hunting. Visit different properties. Consider their location, size, amenities, and price to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Step 5. Make an offer. Work with your real estate agent to negotiate a price with the seller and sign a purchase agreement. Step 6. Get a home inspection. Hire a professional inspector to check the condition of the house and identify any potential issues that need to be addressed. Step 7. Close the deal. Sign all the necessary paperwork, pay the closing costs, and officially become the owner of your new home. Congratulations! You are now a homeowner in Florida. Enjoy your new property and the sunny Florida lifestyle. Thanks for watching the step-by-step guide to buying a house in Florida. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real estate tips and advice.